So first of all, you should go to the video description and there you can get a download. First of all, I just put 2 video parts here. You can be see that. First of all, I just go to my effects here, and if you not see this effect box in your timeline, just go to the windows and here you can be check effects. Here you can be appears effects box. Here just go to the presets and here we can be just right click and here we can be import presets. Here just select the presets which I provide you, select this preset and you can be seeing that it's a grease transition, offset transitions, stretch below and many more. I think it's more than 60 transition and it's enough for a photographer or videography and for a YouTuber. So for the provide this glitch effect, we just go there in the central part between the 2 videos and here we can be just move in the right side or the left side. So first of all, we should press shift and we can be move right side, and the 20 frames here we just make a cut by press Ctrl K. We just go back by press shift right 20 cuts here on the right side. After that we can be just nest these 2 parts which is I think is 40 frames done. We just nest this. Okay, here we go. This one part here, we just apply this glitch and apply on here. So the important thing is here we can be some of the transition is that we can be apply adjustment layer. So the what is the adjustment layer? Just go there in your project, just go there and right click here, just pick a new item, just add a adjustment layer. Here you can just add transition, just cut this out here and make a one cut here and delete it all the right and left bar. And now we can just go to the zoom and here we can be make a duplicate layer of adjustment layer by pressing Alt. So here we have a 2 adjustment layer. Just put this bottom to the bottom adjustment layer and here we can be put a top adjustment layer and here you can be see it.